nigga bags been coming, but they screaming bust down.
Tatiana, I'm in Wisconsin busting down packs. Remember riding around in them rental cars with B-Sky counting up racks. Young niggas strapped up with them rounds. We in St. Louis juggling pounds. Me and my niggas holding shit down. Still show me love when I come through the town. I was in Maryland making boss moves. State to state, been paid my dues. Reggie Bush sold it for a stack. Flooded hundreds, no more than. Now easy selling out packs. Top shelf, nothing but the best. 93 Supreme, nothing less. 28 a pound, nigga, no stress.
They screaming bust down, Tatiana. I'm in the trap busting down packs. I got the racks all in the kitchen, baby, serving good green like it's crack.